If you want to perform a factory data reset on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. First of all, make sure that you have a backup on, because if you perform a factory data reset, keep in mind that you will lose all of your information. So open up your settings, scroll down to your General Management tab, choose it. Now find your reset option, scroll down to your factory data reset, and press reset. Now enter your current PIN, press continue, press delete all. You may need to verify and enter your Samsung account password if you have one. Let me do that real fast. And press OK. And basically that's it, easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.